With a single-edge razor blade, I'll rough up some of the smooth white edges, making them appear more natural. And I'll lighten some of the shade areas by scraping some of the paint off. Most 140-pound watercolor papers are durable and thick enough to do this. I'll also scrape in a sheen along the waterline. And I'll scrape in some flow lines on the cric's surface. The razor is great for light value details. I'll scrape along the edges of the cric ice as well. With a soft water-loaded painting brush, I'll soften some, but not all, of the areas I had just scraped.